I'm going to show you how to make $1 every 20 minutes with less amount of money. So there are some things you need to know before you get into this process I want to show you, and I'm going to explain the whole process at the end of this video. So I'm going to play this and explain this to you. You need to fund your account, create your account with KuCoin. Use the link in the video description to create your account with KuCoin. Fund your account as $5. You can use $5 to do this. Come to features over here. You just have to come over here, this 3 button, press FK features, loading, cancel. You have to decide if you want to go long or short. Right now I go long. This is the reason why I said I'm going to make some explanation to you guys at the end of the video. Make sure you stick to the end of the video. So there are some trading pattern you need to know before you try this. This is like battling, like battle. You are complete with another person that Bitcoin is going to go down in this maybe 1 minute period or 2 minute period. This is exactly what you are doing right now. This is just the whole process. You are just completing with another person that Bitcoin is going to go down in maybe 30 seconds or 15 seconds or 1 minute. So right now I won the first game and I keep continue doing this. I continue doing this. I'm just going to watch this the candle. I would think, because I've known how to read chart. So it's important you make a research about this, how to read chart, what is various meaning when price go up and it quickly come down again, what might happen. This game is like probability. It's not like you are playing virtual game online, like you are betting, but you are just completing with someone that, like, you are competing with the market generally. So as low as $2 you will be able to do this. So as it's just like two people someone want to go long and the other guy want to go short. So this is how this work basically. So right now this going to take some few times, then this is going to decide later where the price will go. And if the price go up, right now I put my order in short, that I think in maybe a few minutes the price is going to go down. You see now, and I'm winning right now. I won this also. Mind you, you need to make some research. Make sure you make your research before you take any step on this video, on this kind of trading, because if you don't know what you are doing, you might lose your funds. So this is not a get rich quick. I'm going to explain some kind of pattern, how to know, or how to know what is happening with the chart. So that's technically the way you'll be able to make money on KuCoin. Doing this, just doing this, you'll be able to make money. A lot of people are doing this. You see, a lot of people are doing this. Anywhere you see people playing any money, people are making money on the platform, on the maybe any various platform. You see a lot of people using it. They are making money. As you can see, on my balance is like $1.20. So you don't need huge amount of money. If you want to earn more, you have make this research, you know what you are doing. Definitely you can put in $50 or $100. The more money you put in, the more profit you will be making. That's how these things work. If you use a little more amount of money, you will be earning less. So you see right now, as for example, if I bet a large of money, I won't be making 10 cents. So, but with the small amount of money I have, I can try to win 10 match and earn $1. that's basically how I come across with this make $1 in 15 or to 20 seconds, then 20 minutes. So that's how these things work. Is basically I'm not winning everything. Some I lose some, but I win most. So this is how these things works. So maybe right now I lose this. No, no, it's going back. Oh, the price go up again. As you can see over here, it's like I won 12 cents again. It's like if you, as you can see over here on this chart, the price has go down a little bit in the short time frame, and I think this pattern, this candle over here before this big pump, I say next candle is going to be good and long position for me to enter. I go short because I think this candle have go up a lot. So let's see what's happening. So I think I'm guessing right. I'm guessing right because this candle is like in 1 hour. You see, it's coming down, going up again. So it's like this price the candle is doing somehow. It's going up again. Like I'm going to lose this battle. So that is how it works, and at least you can really enjoy your money. And this kind of game can actually teach you how to trade, how to be a trader, and then I actually lost the battle. I lost 10 cent, 14 cent. So that's how this thing work. You see right now, the last candle shows the last candle before this present candle. It shows that the buyer are in control. That's why the price later go against me, because the seller push the price down, and the buyer push the price up again. So that's how these things work. With this, I lose this also again. I don't know. I go long since I don't know what is happening again. So let us wait to see what is going to happen. What is going to happen? It takes some times. I cannot like and make the whole video. So just for you to see how people are making money on KuCoin, you see, I actually win this battle. So go, no. See, I guess right. So I won 11 cents. So that's how these things work naturally. You just have to learn what you need to know before you take any step. You just have to keep it in mind to know what is going on, what you are doing, to just know what might happen in the next 2 minutes or in the next 1 minute. I think we are in 50-50 now. Hopefully the Bitcoin is going up. I said the Bitcoin is going to go up like in this short time frame. So it is still in my favor. The price have go against me again. So this is how these things just can take a few minutes to decide who won the battle. So I think I'm winning right now. I'm winning. I won the battle. So right now I'm going to explain how this candle pattern works. So the first one over here is shooting star. The second one beside this is bullish pin bar, and this bar over here has different meaning. If this happen, there is something is going to happen next. So I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you can learn how this candles work. Then later you can get into trading this on KuCoin.
and that's how basically to be ahead of someone you are battling on KuCoin, this kind of mode of making money on KuCoin, so you at least you know what you are doing. And to wrap this video up, you see my balance over here. You know, I start with 1.50 cents. Right now I have $3.57. So this averagely I make 50% on return on investment. So if you use large of amount of money, you can make more you can make more than this. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell, so anytime I make a video like this, you won't miss any update on my channel.